Hi guys, Lorraine here. I have an 11 by 14 inch canvas and I'm going to make some puddles on it. I think I'm going to cover it with some base first, which is almost empty. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get some more of my base white. Just going to spread it out quick with my spatula. So there we go. I am going to make a couple of puddles on here. This is a Payne's Gray. This is a quinacridone magenta. And I'm trying to think, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to go with a light magenta on here. And then a couple drops of yellow. Not very much. And I'm going to grab a piece of plastic wrap. I'm just going to wad it up. I don't really care about the shape of it because I just want it to make its own pattern. I'm going to give this a torch because there are air bubbles in it. And I will put more air bubbles in it, I'm sure, doing this. I'll wipe it off. Should put some paper towel down here. Okay. So move that around a little bit. It's quite a bit of paint in the middle. Okay. Just gonna let it come down a little. Get a clean piece of wrap. Just want a little bit more of that magenta in here. In a couple of places. Tiny bit of the Payne's Gray. I think I picked it all up there. There we go. That's what I was looking for, a little bit more movement over there. spot I don't really like very much. I'll give that a touch. There we go. There we go. I like it. I like it. A couple spots over here I don't care for. Very happy with that. Do a little touch up over here. This corner's a little bare looking. Down here too. Make sure I get my sides good. Okay, give it another torch. Very pretty, pretty. I like it. I'll bring it up so you can see. Some really pretty cells in there, little tiny ones. Very soft, delicate looking. There we go, guys. Thanks for visiting. Bye.